हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ पंकज। वेलकम टू बीइंग फिश को। लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोगों ने डिस्कशन किया था क्रॉसप्टेरिजी लूप्ड फिन फिशेस तक। इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे सब क्लास एक्टिनोप्टेरिजी दैट आर रे फिन फिशेस। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर। फर्स्ट ऑर्डर पॉलिप्ट्रीफॉर्मिस दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ बिचेस एंड रीड फिशेस। फैमिली पॉलिप्टेरिडी, एग्जाम्पल पॉलिप्ट्रस बिचर that is bichir and Herpetoichthys species that are reed fishes. Then coming to order Accipinceriformis consisting of family Accipinceridae that are sturgeons, example Huso beluga largest sturgeon, Accipenser transmonterus North American sturgeon, Accipenser gludenstanti Russian sturgeon, and Scamphyrhynchus Pseudoscamphyrhynchus that are also sturgeons. Then next family that is Polydontidae that consist of paddle fishes, example Polydon spatula and Cephorus gladius. Then next order Ammiformis that consists of bowfin fishes, family Ammidae, example is Amia calva that is bowfin fish. Amia calva is bowfin fish. Then next order Lepisostiformis that consists of gars, family Lepisostidae, example Lepisostius osseus, Lepisostius spatula that is largest gar, Lepisostius platystomus. Okay. Then coming to next order Osteoglossiformis consisting of featherbacks, suborder Notopteridae, family Notopteridae, example Notopterus consisting of bronze and grey featherback, Chitla clown knife fish and humped featherback, and also Notopterus chitla or chitla is the state fish of UP. Then coming to next order Elopiformis consisting of lady fishes and tarpons, suborder Elopidae, family Elopidae, lady fishes, example Elops magnata. Then family Megalopidae, tarpons, Megalops cyprinoids and Megalops atlanticus. Megalops cyprinoids is also known as ox-eye tarpon or Indian tarpon, and Megalops atlanticus is also known as Atlantic tarpon. Then next order Clupiformis consisting of herrings, sardines, shads, anchovies. Family Chirocentridae, example Chirocentrus dorup, they are also known as wolf herring, and Chirocentrus nudus. Then coming to next family Angrolidae, very diverse, consisting of anchovies, example Colia dulcimeri, that is also known as gold spotted grenadier anchovy, Colia neglecta, neglected grenadier anchovy, Colia renaldi, Corua grenadier anchovy, Setipina fasa, gangetic hairpin anchovy, Setipina teti, scaly hairpin anchovy, Setipina brevifilis, short hairpin anchovy, Stolphorus commersoni, commercians anchovy, Stolphorus indicus, Indian anchovy, Thrisa dulcimeri, Dulcimeus thrisa, Thrisa hamiltoni, Hamilton's thrisa, Thrisa purava, gangetic anchovy, and Thrisa mystax. Then coming to next family Clupidae, example Goodisia chapra, Indian river shad, Tinulosa ilicia, Hilsa, Sardinella longiceps, Indian oil sardine. Then family Pristigastinidae, Ilicia megaloptera, Bigai ilicia melastoma, Indian ilicia. Then order Gonorhynchiformis consisting of milkfish, family Chanidae, example Chanus, that is also known as milkfish. Milkfish is Chanus. Then order Anlopiformis, family Harpedontidae, example Harpedon neharius consisting of Bombay duck. Harpedon neharius is the scientific name of Bombay duck, and dole net is used to catch Bombay duck in the Saurashtra coast. Family Syndontidae, Saurida tumbil is also known as Indian lizard fish. Then coming to next order Cypriniformis, carps, is very diverse. Suborder Carosidae, Carcines. Suborder Gymnotidae, electric eels, Electrophorus electricus. Suborder Cyprinoidae, commercially important carps, barbs and mahaseas. Family Coelurhynchidae, example Coelurhynchus bellitora consisting of Bellitora minnow. Family Parapsilorhinidae, example Parapsilorhynchus species. Then family Bellitoridae consisting of loaches, example Bellitora brucei, greystone loach, Bhavania, Homeloptera and Nemochilus. The next family Cobitidae consisting of loaches, subfamily Botini, example Botia dario and Botia dai, that consist of necktie loach and hora loach. Then subfamily Cobitini, example is Antopsis, Lepidocephalus guntia, that is also known as Guntia loach, Pangia coolie loach. Then family Cyprinidae consisting of carps and minnows, subfamily Cyprinae, that is Cariaceous, subfamily Cyprinae, Cariaceous auratus, that is goldfish, Cariaceous crucian carp, Cariaceous Cutla, Chaguni, Sirinus riba carp, Tinopharyngodon idella, grass carp, Cyprinon semiplotum, Assamese kingfish. Then common carp Cyprinus carpio, Cyprinus carpio var caminis scale carp, Cyprinus carpio var specularis mirror carp, Cyprinus carpio nudes, that is leather carp. Then Hypophthalmictis molitaris silver carp, Cerinus mrigla, that is mrigal. Then Heteropneustis nobilis or Aristictis nobilis is bighead carp. Labiobata, bata labio or labiobata. Then labio boga, boga labio, labio calbasu, black rohu, labio diro, kala bagan, labio diachilus, brahmaputra labio, labio fimbriatus, fringe-lipped peninsular carp or fringe-lipped carp, labio fimbriatus, labio gonius, then labio rohita, neolisochilus hexagonolipis, osteobrahma cotio, Puntius chola, Puntius guganio, Puntius sarana, then Puntius sophor, Puntius ticto, tinka, that is also known as doctor fish, tor mahasir, tor khudri, Deccan mahasir, tor putitora, putitor mahasir or golden mahasir. Then coming to next subfamily Cultrini, that example Chila cacheus, silver hatchet Chila, Salmostoma bacaila, large razor belly minnow, and Salmostoma fullo, fine scale razor belly minnow. Then subfamily Rasborini, example Amblypharyngodon mola, mola carplet, Beryllus berylla, beard beryl, Beryllus telio, Bengala ilanga, Bengala barb, Brachydenio rario, zebrafish or zebra denio, Danio acupinitus, that is giant denio, Isomus dendricus, flying barb, Perluciosma, Daniconius, blackline rasbora, and then Ramus bola, that is Indian trout. Then coming to next subfamily Schizothoracidae, that consists of snow trouts and snow minnows. For example, Schizothorax richardsoni. Subfamily Garini, example Crossochilus latius, Gangetic latia, Gara gotyla, Gara lambda gara. Then order Siluriformis, that consists of catfishes. Family Bagridae, bagrid catfish, example Sperata Aeorycthyx aor, long whisker catfish, Sperata singhala or Aeorycthyx singhala, also known as giant river catfish, Tengra. Batasio, Tista batasio, Mistus bleakeri, Days mistus, Mistus cavaceus, Gangetic mistus, Mistus gallio, Nuna tengra, Mistus tengra, Tengra mistus, Mistus vitatus, striped dwarf catfish, and then Rita. Family Siluridae consisting of Eurasian catfishes, example Ompok bimaculatus, this is also known as Indian butter catfish, Ompok Pabda catfish, Ompok pabo catfish. Then Valaguatu, freshwater shark, Bowl. Family Sheelbead catfish, example Elia colia, Gangetic Elia, Clupisoma garua bach. Then Eutrophictis bachwa gacha, Silonida vacha. Family Pangasidae, example Pangasius consisting of Pangas. Family Sisoriid catfish, example is Bagarius, Conta, Gangetic Indian Gangata. Okay. Family Claridae, that consists of air breathing catfishes, example Clarius batricus, Clarius brachysoma. Clarius brachysoma is also known as Tasman's catfish. Clarius batricus is Magur, state fish of Bihar, walking catfish. Family Heteropneustodea consisting of Singhi, Heteropneustis fossilis, stinging catfish. Air sac catfish, these are also air breathing and air sac catfish. Then family Carcidae, that consists of square head or angular catfish, example Kaka, Indian Kaka, devil catfish. Family Eridae, sea catfishes, Arius, threadfin sea catfish, Arius platystomus, flatmouth sea catfish, and Arius sona sea catfish. Then family Plotosidae consisting of eel-tailed catfish, example Plotosus lineatus, striped eel catfish, Plotosus caneus, canine catfish eel, and Plotosus limbatus, dark fin eel catfish. The next order Anguilliformis consisting of eels. Family Anguillidae, freshwater eels, Angula bengalensis, Indian longfin eels, Angula bicolor, shortfin eels. Family Moringidae, worm eels, Moringia species. Family Muranidae, moray eels, Lycodontis sathete, Gangetic moray, Lycodontis stele, freshwater moray, Thrysodia macrura, giant slender moray. Then family Ophichthidae, snake eels. Family Murensosidae, pike congers, Congresox tablonoidae, Indian pike conger, Murensox bagio, common pike conger, Murensox cinereus, dogger-tooth pike conger. The next order Mastusambelliformis, spiny eels. Family Mastusambellidae, that consists of Macrognathus arel, one stripe spiny eel, Macrognathus panculus, Mastusambellus armatus, and Macrognathus or Mastusambellus dai, that is day spiny eels. The next order Athriniformis, Belloniformis, Cyprinodontiformis. Family Bellonidae, full beaks, gar fishes and needle fishes. Then consisting of Xenodon, Zenotodon cancella, freshwater garfish. Strongyura lura, banded needlefish. Family Hemiramphidie, half-beaks. Example Hemiramphus far, Hemiramphus limbatus, and Hemiramphus ducimeri. Family Exocetidae, consisting of flying fish. Example Exocetus, Paraexocetus, and Scypilurus spilopterus. Then consisting of order Sciuropeniformis, flatheads. Family Platycephalidae, Gramoplites scaber, rough flathead. Platycephalus indicus, bar-tail flathead. Order Ophiocephaliformis, Channiformis, snakeheads. Family Ophiocephalidae or Channidae. Example Channa striatus, Channa punctatus, Channa marulius, Channa amphibius, Channa orientalis, Channa microlepsis, Channa gachua, and Channa stivati. Channa striatus, striped snakehead. Channa punctatus, striped snakehead. Channa marulius, giant snakehead. Channa amphibius, Borna snakehead. Channa orientalis, Asiatic snakehead or walking snakehead. Channa microlepsis, Malabar snakehead. Channa gachua, Channa stivati, Assamese snakehead. Then coming to next order, Perciformis, consisting of perches. Suborder Musulidae. Family Musulidae, mullets. Example Musulcephalus, flathead mullet. Rhinomusul Corsula mullet. Lisa abu mullet. Chilon Lisa microlepis, large scale mullet. Lisa parsia, gold spot mullet. Lisa tade mullet. Valamusul cunensis. These are long arm mullet. Then suborder Sphrinoidae. Family Sphrinidae, Barramundas, very long elongate body and highly carnivorous. Example Sphrina barracuda, Sphrina bleacheri, Sphrina jello. Then suborder Percoidae. Family Centropomidae, consisting of barramundis and sea perches. Example Lattice calcarifer, giant sea perch or bhetki. Then next family Ambasidae, glass fish or perchlets, grow to small size, transparent freshwater fish. Example Ambasis commersoni, commersons glassfish. Ambasis myops, myopsy glassfish. Chandanama, that is elongated glass perchlet. Parambasis ranga, it is Indian glassy fish or Indian glassfish. Family Serranidae, consisting of groupers, rock cods. Example Epinephelus malabricus, Malabar rock cod. Family Pteropontidae, tiger perches, and Pteroponids grunters. Example Pteropon jarbua, Pteropon puta, Pteropon theraps, Jarbua pteropon, small scale pteropon, and banded grunter. Family Silanginidae, Silagos whitings. Example Silago sihama, silver whiting. Silago vincenti, Assurine whitings. Silaginopsis panagus, it is gangetic silago. Then next family Carangidae, consisting of kingfishes, jacks, carangids, trivillis. Example Carangioids parasitus, brown black trevally. Carangioids armatus, carangus, black-tailed trevally. Megalepsis cordilla, torpedo scad or horse mackerel. Scombroids, lysand, double-spotted queenfish, and Atropus and Atiole. Then family Leognatinidae, that is pony fish, silver bellies and slip mouth. Example Gaja minota, tooth pony. Leognathus bindus, orange fin ponyfish. Leognathus equus, common ponyfish. Leognathus blotchi, two-blotch ponyfish, and Secutor, pug-nose ponyfish. Then family Lutjanidae, snappers. Example Lutjanus argenti maculatus, that are river snapper. Lutjanus john snapper. Then Garridae, silver bellies. Example Garomorpha setifer, gangetic silver beady. Garrus filamentosus, fifth-tail silver beady. Then Garrus oina, common silver beady. Then families Cyanidae, that consist of cyanids or crocus. Example Johnip sina, this consists of sharp tooth hammer croaker. Johannius gangeticus, gangetic bola. Johannius coiter croaker. Macrospinosa, Cusa bola. Otolithoids, Birutis, bronze croaker. Pama. Protonibia, Dicanthus, spotted croaker. The next family Mulidae, consisting of goldfishes. Example Eupeneus sulphurus, sunrise goldfish. Family Drepanidae, sickle fishes. For example Drepane punctatus, spotted sicklefish. Drepane longimana. Then family Scatophagidae, scats. Example Scatophagus argus, spotted scat. Then family Cichlidae, cichlids. Example Oreochromis mozambicus, tilapia. Oreochromis niloticus, Nile tilapia. Atropus suratensis, banded polyspot. Green chromidae, also known as carimine or polyspot. Then Atropus maculatus, spotted polyspot, and Atropus canarensis, canara polyspot. The next family is Stromatidae. It consists of pomfrey. Example Pampas argentus, that are silver pomfrey. Pampas chinensis, that consists of Chinese pomfrey. The next family Apolectidae, black pomfrey. Earlier Carangidae. Example Apolectis niger or Protostomatius niger, that is black pomfrey. Then consisting of Trichuridae, that consist of ribbon fishes. Example Lepterocanthus puntuli, Coromandel ribbon fish. Trichurus gangeticus, gangetic ribbon fish, and Trichurus lepterus. these are ribbon fishes. Then family Lacteridae, false travelers, white fish, example Lacterius lacterius, that is also known as white fish. Then family Nemipteridae, Nemipterus japonicus, pink perch, Nemipterus mesoprion, threadfin breams, pink perches are the examples. Then next family is Priacanthidae, that consists of bull size, example Priacanthus boobs and Priacanthus hamburger. Then family Budidae, example Badis badis, Badis, Dario dario. Family Blanidae, Ombranchus ferox, Gossamer blani. Then family Coidae, example Coes, Quadrifaciatus, silver diatonoid. Family Electroidae, family, then it consists of examples Electrus fusca, dusky sleepers, Odonteletris, Macrodon, gangetic sleeper. Then family Curtidae, nursery fishes, example Cotus indicus, Indian humphead. Family Nundidae, example Nandus nandus, gangetic leaf fish. Pristolepis marginata, Malabar leaf fish is consist of in family Nandidae, example is Nandus nandus and Pristolepis marginata, leaf fishes. Family Toxotidae, consisting of archer fish, example Toxitus caterus, large scale archer fish. Then suborder Polynimidae, consisting of family Polynimidae, thread fins or tassel fishes, example Erythronoma tetradactylum, Indian salmon, four-fingered thread fin. Polydactylus indicus, Indian thread fin. Polydactylus hepatodactylus, seven-fingered thread fin. Polydactylus sextarius, black spot thread fin. Polynemus paradisius, paradise thread fin. Suborder Gobidae, family Gobidae, gobies. They consist of Acentrogobius globiceps, big-head goby, Calagobius hasselti, haslet goby, Glossogobius guris, tang goby, Glossogobius bioselatus, sleepy goby, Gob biopsis, macrostoma. Then Periophthalmodon, Scoleceri, giant mudskipper, Periophthalmus argentilinatus, beard mudskipper. Then suborder Scombridae, family Scombridae, mackerels, example Rostrologer canaguta, Indian mackerel, southwest coast. Rostrologer brachysoma, Andaman water, and Rostrologer foggini, southeast coast. The next family is Scombromoidae, seer fishes. Family Scombromorus gotatus, Scombromorus commercian, king seerfish or narrow-beard Spanish mackerel. Spotted seerfish is Scombromorus gotatus, Scombromorus nilotus, and Scombromorus coriolis. The next family Thunidae, tunas, marlins, swordfishes, sailfishes are included in this family. Thunidae, Sarda orientalis, oriental bonita, Oxys thazard, frigid tuna, Katsuvanus pelamis, skipjack tuna, Euthynnus affinis, little tuna, Thunnus tongol, long-tailed tuna, Gymnosarda unicolor, dog-toothed tuna, Thunnus albaceus, yellowfin tuna, Mochaira nigricans, blue marlin. Then Istiophorus platypterus, sailfishes, and Xiphias gladius, swordfishes. Suborder Anabantidae, family Anabantidae, climbing perch, example Anabas testudineus and Anabas cobgeus, that consist of gangetic koi, Anabas testudineus, common name climbing perch or koi. Family Ballontidae, gouramis, example Ballonita signata, comtail gourami, Tinops nobilis, Indian paradise fish. Polycanthus, Colisa fasciatus, striped gourami, Colisa lalia, dwarf gourami, Halostoma teminki, kissing gourami, Trichogaster tuna, honey gourami. Family Osphronymidae, giant gouramis, example Cetodus arumi, Indian halibut. Family Bothidae, left eye flounder, example Pseudorhombus triocellatus, three-spotted flounder, and Pseudorhombus aries, large tooth flounder, Pseudorhombus javanicus. Then family Cynoglossidae, tongue fishes or sole fishes, tongue sole, they are known as tongue sole. Example Cynoglossus gangetic tongue sole, Cynoglossus lingua, long tongue sole, Cynoglossus macrostomus, Malabar tongue sole. Then family Solidae, soles, example Uriglossa, Synaptura, pan sole, Uriglossa orientalis, oriental sole, and solia. The next order Cyprinodontiformis, family Aplochilidae, example Aplochilus panchax, blue panchax, Aplochinus lineatus, striped panchax. Family Poecilidae, example Gambusia affinis and Poecilia reticulata, guppy. Then order Gadiformis, cords, example Gadus morua, Atlantic cod. Order Salmoniformis, salmon, Salmonidae, salmon gardineri, rainbow trout, Salmo Trutofario, brown trout or river trout, Oncorhynchus narca, salmon, sockeye salmon, Salvinus fontinalis, brook trout, and Oncorhynchus mycis, that is sea trout. Then next Syngnathiformis, pipefish and seahorses, family Syngnathidae, example Hippicthus, Hepatogonus, belly pipefish, Ichthycampus, Carse, freshwater pipefish, Microfish oscillatus, ocellated pipefish, Hippocampus, Brachyrhynchus, that are seahorse, Hippocampus species. Synbranchiformis swamp eels, Symbranchidae, example Monopterus Aphaneus, Cuchia, Gangetic mud eel, Monopterus albus, rice swamp eel. Lophiformis angler fishes, Osmeriformis smelts, Tetrodontiformis poisonous fishes, family Tricanthidae, tripod fish, example Tricanthus, Bioclutus, short-nosed tripod fish, family Tetradontidae, puffer fishes, example Aerothon reticulatus, reticulated blowfish, Cheilodon fluvitellis, green puffer fish, Cheilodon patoka, gangetic puffer fish, patoka, Tetrodon catcutia, oscillated puffer fish, Tetrodon travancoricus, that is Malabar puffer fish. Okay, so that's all for this part 2. पार्ट 1 ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर दिया, ये क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फिश का पार्ट 2 था. पार्ट 3 भी बहुत जल्द अपलोड होगा, उसमें बेसिकली फ़िश के कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानेंगे उनके इमेजेस के साथ, तो वो भी अपलोड कर दिया जाएगा. सो ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस. थैंक्स फॉर योर पेशेंस एंड थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग. कीप शेयरिंग द वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन स्टे सेफ.